Have you ever wondered why that little number called a credit score seems to hold so much power? It's just a number, right? But what if I told you that this single figure could decide whether you get that dream car, your first home, or even the flat you want to rent? Stick around because we're about to break down exactly what a credit score is, why it's so important, and how you can take control of yours. So, what exactly is a credit score? Think of it as your financial report card. It's a number usually between 300 and 900 that tells lenders how reliable you are with money. A high score means you're seen as a trustworthy borrower, like the star student of finance. A low score, well, it might make them a bit nervous. This number is calculated based on how well you've managed things like loans, credit cards, and even your phone contract. It's your financial reputation all wrapped up in one neat little score. Now, for the big question, why should you care? Because your credit score impacts almost every major financial decision you make. It determines whether you get approved for a credit card or a mortgage. It dictates the interest rate you'll pay, and a good score could save you thousands of pounds over your lifetime by unlocking lower rates. In some cases, it can even affect your ability to rent a property or set up utilities without a hassle. A good credit score opens financial doors, while a poor one can quietly close them when you least expect it. So, what's the secret recipe for a good score? It really comes down to five key ingredients. First, your payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? This is the most important factor. Second, credit utilization. This is fancy speak for how much of your available credit you're using. A good rule of thumb is to keep it below 30%. Third is the length of your credit history. The longer, the better. Fourth, avoid applying for lots of new credit in a short space of time, as this can be a red flag. And finally, having a healthy mix of credit types like a credit card and a phone contract shows you can handle different financial responsibilities. If you're looking at your score right now and feeling a little disappointed, don't panic. You absolutely have the power to improve it. Start by making sure every single bill is paid on time. Work on paying down your credit card balances. And before you apply for that shiny new card, ask yourself if you really need it. It's also a great idea to check your credit report regularly for any errors that might be dragging your score down. These small, consistent steps can make a huge difference over time. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial passport. Treat it with care, and it will unlock opportunities for you when you need them most. Thanks for joining us at the Knowledge Harbor, where we make money and finance simple. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more. See you next time.